the presentation on tree in discrete mathematics. Topic name, tree and their properties, definition, properties, an example, rotate tree, tree and sorting, weighted tree, prefix code, by connected component and articulation point, shortest distance. Presented by Amarnath Kumar, Pankaj Ram, Panchdev Kumar Pandit, Monu Kumar Ram. Tree 1. This is nature view of tree. At the bottom is root and at the middle node, branch, at the top is leaf. Tree 2. This is discrete mathematics view of tree. At the top is root and at the middle node and branch and at the bottom is leaf. Tree. Tree is a discrete structure that represents hierarchical relationship between individual element or node. A tree in which a parent has no more than 2 children is called a binary tree. Example, vertex A is root, then after vertex B and C is node, then after vertex D, E, F and G is branch, then after vertex H, I, J, K, L, M, N and O is leaf. Properties. Point 1. A tree is a connected undirected graph with no simple circuit, no multiple parallel edge, no loop. That means tree must be a simple graph. कोई भी ट्री एक सिंपल ग्राफ हो सकता है. Undirected graph is a tree if and only if is uniquely simple path between any two of its vertex. Example first. Here vertex A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here all property of tree has been satisfied. So I can say this is tree. And example true. Here circuit will be formed. So circuit should not contain in the tree. So this is not tree. Example 3. Here D has self loop. So tree not allowed any loop. So this is not tree. And example 4. Here between A, vertex between A and C has a parallel edge. So tree should not any contain parallel edge. So that means n vertex edge and n minus 1 is edge. So in number of vertex is 6 and edge n minus 1. So 6 minus 5 is that is 5. 6 minus 1 that is 5. Tree should be connected exactly one path between every pair of vertex. That means exact only one path.